How to change your full name on Zoom Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your full name on Zoom Mobile. First go to Zoom and then click this one, more, and now all you need to do just click here and now click this one and then click here, and you can change your first name, and if you want to change your last name, change it to anything you want, and then just click save here and it will be saved. And that's how manage full name on Zoom Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.